Hey there, this is Tyler with Theater Design Company. Today we're going to do an unboxing video of the new Klipsch behind the screen system. This one is part number RCC-102-BTS. Obviously the BTS stands for behind the screen system. These were designed to go behind a cavity behind an acoustically transparent screen. In our case we'll be doing a Seymour screen. And the unboxing video itself is 10 minutes long. However, it took us roughly 40 minutes to unbox them, and I would say a good hour to get them off the truck. They showed up on a freight truck with the liftgate service, and I would recommend having 2 or 3 strong guys, strong gals to help you get these into your room and unboxed. I did it myself, and they're definitely heavy. So what you've got here in the unboxing video, and I'm just going to let it, kind of show its system. You'll see as I unbox them what you're getting, but it's a 3 speakers, left, center, right, 2 18-inch subwoofers. They use titanium compression drivers. The horns are Klipsch's KPT 603 horn, which uses their 1.75-inch compression driver. The LCR speakers, so your left, center, right, have a recommended minimum amplification of 200 watts. And the 18-inch subwoofers are recommending 500 watts minimum. And on the 18-inch drivers, if you're a Klipsch fan, they use the K49 18s. And the low-frequency drivers on your mains, your LCRs, they use the K45s. A couple other nice features. The binding posts are actually on the front of these, so you actually mount them into your your false wall or behind your screen, and you can do all your wiring for them up front. And a couple quick notes: they make 3 of these packages. This one is designed for a minimum screen size of about 117 inch, so roughly 120 inch screen, 133 inch screen. Or if you do a CinemaScope 235, the minimum on that's about 112 inch screen. Go ahead and watch the video, and if you're interested in buying one of these, my link is at the end of the video, and hope you enjoy.